Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll explore the main gradebook views in Blackboard Ultra, key features and settings. At the end, I'll walk through how to set up your grade schema. When you access the gradebook in an Ultra course, you can select different views in the upper left, including gradable items and grades. The gradable items view provides a listing of all items added to your gradebook, while the grades view offers a spreadsheet-style overview similar to the original course view of the Grade Center. Blackboard will remember the view you select by default for future sessions. In either view, you can add columns manually by clicking on the plus symbol. A menu in the upper right, under Student Preview, offers features like search, filters, options to upload or download your gradebook, and the gear icon for advanced settings. We'll be coming back to this one later. In the Gradable Items view, you can move items around to be in the order you prefer using the arrows symbol to the right. There is also a view called Students. In the Students tab, you can view student activity, set accommodations, send messages, monitor progress tracking, and you can click on the three dots next to a student to add exceptions for that student. I'm going to go back to the Grades view. For now, let's start by setting up the overall grade. To access Advanced Grade Settings, click on the gear icon in the upper right. From here, you can access options such as grade schemas, we're going to come back to this at the end, student performance alerts, turn off or on automatic zeros, set up your overall grade, and add categories or edit categories. For now, we'll locate and click the Setup Overall Grade option. You'll start by selecting a calculation type. Don't worry, you can change this later. For now, I'm going to leave it on points and click Next. From here, I can see what's included in my overall grade. I can remove things if I don't want them to be included, or I can re-include them if I change my mind. If I don't want students to see this yet, I could uncheck Show to Students and then recheck it later once I'm ready for them to see it. You can select how the overall grade is displayed. For now, I'm going to select points. You can double check that everything you want to be included is included and nothing that you don't want is. And you'll have your total at the bottom here. I'm going to select Save. And then I'm going to close this view. Now students can see their overall grade as points in their view. If I want to add a second column so that they can also see their letter grade, I can hit that plus sign that I showed you earlier, and I'm going to select Add Total Calculation. This is going to bring me to the same screen we just looked at. I'm going to name it something. I'm going to select the grade schema, which in this case is going to be letter, and then I'm going to make sure everything is included that I want to be included, and nothing is included that I don't want. Then I'm going to select Save. And I'm going to close this view. Finally, I want to show you how to set up your grade schema or make sure that it's set up the way that you want it. I'm going to click on the gear again to bring up the advanced settings, and then I'm going to click on Manage Grade Schemas. Here I can make sure that this default schema matches what I have in my syllabus. I'm going to go ahead and delete A+, for example, because I don't use that in my courses. Then I'm going to double check to make sure the rest of the grades display as I want them to. All I need to do if I want to change the percentages is click Edit and change what's here. It will adjust the rest of the scores based on what you enter. If you don't want to use pluses and minuses, you can go through and delete them first, and then you can adjust anything that needs adjusting. You can also add additional grade schemas and use more than one grade schema and display those grade schemas to your students. For now, we're going to keep it simple and just have one grade schema. Oops. And I'm going to save my work, and then I'm going to close out of this view. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Blackboard Ultra Gradebook. For more information, visit Kelt's knowledge base or reach out to Kelt.